The first step you have to take is to log on to mylearningspace.nouedu2.net, and your username and password is your matric number. But if you have logged on or you have accessed your learning space before now, you have to impute the new password that you have changed to. So right now I'll be inputting mine and also my password. Login. Once you're logged in, at the left hand side of the interface you see SIWES, and under it you see my SIWES record. You have to click on my SIWES record. After clicking on the SIWES record, you have to impute your username and your password again. So that means the same details as which you used in logging in into the learning space is also the same that you'll be making use of for the SIWES platform. So you impute your matric number as the username and your password. And you submit. So welcome to the SIWES platform. The first thing you have to do here is to go on and click on add a SIWES record. There you have to impute your personal details and as well as your SIWES details before you preview and save. Let's see how it looks like. Impute your matric number. It should load. Click on it. Click on the drop down menu and select a value that pertains to you. Select your faculty. Do the same for your study center. Same for your level. Then you pick your year of matriculation. Impute your gender. Then you are to upload a recent passport. Click. If you're going for an ITF funded SIWES, then you are to impute your bank details. After this, you go on to SIWES details. You select the course that is applicable to you. Please note you're not to pick exactly as I'm picking. This is just a video guide on what you are meant to do. You select the semester and then you put in the name of the organization. In this address section, you have to impute the country where the organization that you wish to be attached to is located. And then in this full name section, if you know the name of the personnel in that organization that you are meant to submit the letter to, then you have to put in the full name, but it is advisable you make use of the title. Then the address of the organization. Then you select the state. Here I'll be making use of FCT. On the start of attachment, you have to put in the day you are meant to start the attachment. Then you select the duration of attachment in weeks. Then you impute the industry supervisor's phone number. After doing all this, you preview. And if you made any mistake whatsoever, you are meant to change it before saving Once you're sure that the records at which you have put here are correct, then you save. And you see something like this. So you download the PDF and then you print it. After printing your request for placement form, you proceed and you print out your placement acceptance form. Then you can also go ahead to click on the employer's evaluation form. Just in case you were not accepted in the organization at which you had printed your request for placement form, you can always come back to the platform and generate a new one for a new organization. You can continue doing this until you are accepted for placement. So I'll go through the steps again. The first you have to do is to log into your Learning Space platform. That's https://mylearningspace.nuedu2.net. You input your username, which is your matric number, and then you input your password. If this is the first time you are making use of the Learning Space, then your matriculation number with NOU in small letters is your password. But if you have accessed the Learning Space before now, then you input the password, after which you'll be logged in, and then on the left hand side of the interface you click on add a SIWES record. Once you've clicked on it, it will prompt you to input your username and your password again. So the same thing you used in logging into your Learning Space platform is also the same you're going to use to log in. So once you're logged in into your SIWES platform, the first step you have to take is to add a SIWES record, where you have to input your personal details and then the SIWES details. The SIWES details contains the details of the organization and the department or the person or the title of the person you are addressing the letter to. And after that, you preview all that you have imputed, that's the personal details and the SIWES details. Please note that you are not to click on preview until you have filled in your personal details and your SIWES details. So once you're done previewing, you save. And after saving, the next step is to click on request for placement form. You scroll down, you download, and then you print. The third step, you have to click on the placement acceptance form. You scroll down and then you download and print. After then, you click on the employer's evaluation, you scroll down, you download, and then you print. So after that, you're done with the SIWES platform for this first stage. After you must have been accepted at the organization, the last step you have to take is to come back here to the platform, upload a signed copy of the acceptance form. To do that, you're just to click on the choose file that is directly under the upload signed acceptance form, and then you choose the scanned file and you upload it. After this, you save and leave the platform. So that will be all for now. If there is any other information, it will be made available to you. Thank you.